In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a bent derailleur hanger. The derailleur hanger itself is a small piece of metal that attaches the derailleur to the frame. This particular bike fell over and had an impact directly to the derailleur, which caused the bend. With the hanger bent out of shape, there will be a lot of issues trying to shift through the gears. In the smaller gears, the bike is making a lot of noise and sometimes switching 2 gears per shift. In the bigger gears, the derailleur cage is hitting the spokes for misalignment. If this happens while riding, the derailleur can actually get caught in the wheel and be ripped off the bike. So let me show you how to fix this problem. First, check to make sure the hanger is secure to the frame, and then shift the bike down to the smallest rear cob. Then, use a 5mm Allen key to remove the rear derailleur from the bike. The derailleur will still be attached by the cable and chain, but that's okay to have it just dangle while we fix the hanger. This is a derailleur hanger alignment tool, and it's the specific tool that's required to fix this bend. I'm using the Shimano brand tool, but there are many different versions of this tool and I'll link to them down below. Thread the tool tightly into the derailleur hanger and then find the valve on the wheel. Rotate the valve to the 9 o'clock position and then adjust the tool so that the measuring rod is touching the rim right beside the valve. Then rotate the valve over to the 3 o'clock position and compare the measuring rod to see if both sides are even. On this bike, there's a significant gap between the tool and the wheel, so we'll use the tool to bend the hanger in this direction. The bending can also be done from behind the bike, and I prefer this angle for more control. Use a measured effort while bending back, and after a few pushes, remeasure the hanger at the 9 o'clock position and see how much progress you've made. You can see my gap has closed, but I have a bit more to go, so I'm going to keep repeating this until there's an even gap on both sides. Always measure from the valve to eliminate wheel warp as a variable. After another round of bending, you can see both sides measure the same distance from the rim, which means the hanger is now straight horizontally. Next, we have to check the vertical alignment. Rotate the wheel to the 6 o'clock position, check the measurement of the valve, and now compare this to the measurement at the 12 o'clock position. My gap here is about 1 inch, so now I'll need to bend the hanger in this direction to align it vertically. After you've adjusted the hanger again, remeasure, and if it looks good, you can do a final check on all 4 points, the 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock position. They should all be within 1 to 3 millimeters of each other, and if you've achieved this, the tool can now be removed. Compared to where we started, you can see how much better spacing the hanger has to the cassette and how much straighter it is. You can now reinstall your rear derailleur. Use one hand to support the derailleur in its position and then the other hand to tighten down the bolt. I'm able to get down to the hardest gear and I'm no longer getting 2 shifts for 1 click. As I go up the gears, I'm having much quieter shifts, and in the largest gear, the derailleur cage no longer rubs against the spokes. Go all the way up and down your gears a few times just to double check the shifting is good, and this job is done.